Welcome to Tech Troop. Today we are going to create recovery disk using USB drive. It is important to create a recovery drive, just in case anything goes wrong with your computer. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a recovery drive. Windows 10 has its own built-in tools that you can use to repair it. A recovery drive is just a normal USB memory drive, containing all the tools you need to fix Windows when it won't start, and ideally, it contains a copy of Windows 10, so you can reinstall the operating system. You need at least 16 GB of memory in USB for this. Let's get started. Connect the USB drive to your PC. Open Control Panel and View by large icons. You can find Recovery option, click on it. Then in Advanced Recovery tool, click on Create a recovery drive. Then in the dialog box, make sure to check Backup System Files to the recovery drive is marked. Then click on Next and wait for some time. Then select your USB drive and click on Create. It usually takes 2 to 3 hours of time based on the PC performance. Now your recovery drive has been created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Tech Troop for latest updates.